A Guide to Clicker Training Your English Springer Spaniel. English Springer Spaniel's Guide to Clicker Training. If you have an English Springer Spaniel, you know how intelligent and energetic they can be. These dogs are known for their versatility and willingness to please, which makes them great candidates for clicker training. Clicker training is a positive reinforcement method that uses a clicking sound to mark desirable behavior in dogs. This guide will help you understand the basics of clicker training and how to effectively use it with your English Springer Spaniel. Understanding clicker training is based on the principles of operant conditioning. It focuses on rewarding the dog for good behavior rather than punishing them for bad behavior. The clicker acts as a marker to let the dog know they have done something correctly. It bridges the gap between the desired behavior and the reward. The clicker is a small handheld device that makes a distinct clicking sound when pressed. Getting started with clicker training. To start clicker training your English Springer Spaniel, you will need a clicker, treats, and a quiet training area with minimal distractions. Begin by associating the clicker sound with treats. Press the clicker and immediately give your dog a treat. Repeat this several times until your dog starts to associate the clicker with receiving a treat. Charging the clicker refers to the process of conditioning your dog to understand that the click sound means a treat is coming. Practice charging the clicker by clicking and treating your dog consistently. Do this multiple times a day for a few days until your dog eagerly looks for the treat after hearing the click. Teaching basic commands. Once your English Springer Spaniel understands that the click sound means a treat is coming, you can start using the clicker to teach them basic commands. For example, you can use the clicker to mark and reward your dog for sitting, lying down, or coming to you. Start by saying the command, such as sit, and as soon as your dog performs the desired behavior, click the clicker and give them a treat. Repeat this process consistently until your dog associates the command with the click and the reward. Shaping behavior. Clicker training also allows you to shape more complex behaviors in your English Springer Spaniel. Shaping refers to the process of gradually rewarding your dog for closer approximations of the desired behavior. For example, if you want to teach your dog to roll over, you can start by rewarding them for lying on their side, then for turning their head towards their body, and gradually shaping the behavior until they perform a full rollover. Consistency and timing are essential in clicker training. The click must always be followed by a treat to reinforce the desired behavior. The timing of the click is crucial as it must be precise and occur right when the dog performs the desired behavior. Additionally, consistency in your commands and expectations will help your English Springer Spaniel understand what is expected of them. Avoiding common mistakes. While clicker training can be highly effective, it's important to avoid common mistakes. One common mistake is using the clicker too much or without a clear purpose. Remember that the clicker is a tool to mark specific behaviors, so use it intentionally. Another mistake is failing to fade out the clicker over time. Once your dog understands the behavior, you can gradually wean them off the clicker and rely solely on verbal cues or hand signals. Adding distractions. Once your English Springer Spaniel has mastered basic commands, you can start adding distractions to their training sessions. This will help them generalize their training and obey commands even in more challenging situations. Start by introducing mild distractions and gradually increase the difficulty level as your dog becomes more proficient. Have fun and keep it positive. Clicker training should always be a positive and enjoyable experience for both you and your English Springer Spaniel. Keep the training sessions short and engaging to maintain your dog's motivation and focus. Use high-value treats as rewards and make sure to give them plenty of praise and affection. In conclusion, clicker training is a highly effective and rewarding method of training your English Springer Spaniel. It allows you to communicate with your dog in a clear and positive way, resulting in a well-behaved and happy pet. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can establish a strong foundation of basic commands and behaviors, and even teach more complex tricks and tasks.